Mounting a thermostat on the exterior wall of a sheet metal building requires careful consideration to insulate the thermostat from the exterior elements and ensure accurate temperature readings. Firstly, consider foam insulation enclosures. Several companies provide custom-molded foam enclosures specifically designed for outdoor thermostat mounting on metal walls. Examples include Ventura Products, which offers custom-molded foam enclosures, and Pactol Controls, which offers a foam insulation enclosure that fits around the thermostat housing and has a weatherproof cover. Control Solutions provides foam insulation enclosures that can be painted to match the building exterior. Secondly, explore using foam insulation board. XPS, or extruded polystyrene, is a rigid foam board that provides excellent thermal insulation. EPS, or expanded polystyrene, is a less dense foam board that is also thermally insulating. To use foam insulation board, purchase it and cut it to the size of the thermostat housing, leaving about 1 to 2 inches of overhang on all sides. Now let's discuss mounting options. One option is using adhesive and screws. Apply a bead of construction adhesive around the perimeter of the foam insulator and attach it to the exterior wall. Secure the foam insulator to the wall using self-tapping screws. Another option involves surface mount boxes. Use a weatherproof surface mount box that fits the thermostat housing and has a cover that protects from the elements. Some thermostats come with mounting brackets that allow them to be attached to the exterior wall without additional insulation. Remember some other considerations. It is important to ensure that the foam insulation enclosure or surface mount box provides enough ventilation for the thermostat to operate properly. Run wires through a weatherproof conduit or cable gland to connect the thermostat to the electrical system. If possible, mount the thermostat on a part of the wall that is not exposed to direct sunlight for most of the day. Choose a foam insulation enclosure or surface mount box that blends in with the building exterior or consider painting it to match.